Today we are specifically looking at the 3/16 super heavy duty drive over fender. This fender comes as part of the max width package, or the 102 wide option for the LPX and the GTF. This fender benefits the customer who has wider than standard equipment or vehicles. And when I say that, standard being the 80 or 82 inches between the fenders without the max width. The fenders allowed those wider than standard vehicles to be able to drive over and be able to load that equipment still on a lowboy trailer rather than having to resort to a deck over trailer, keeping a lower center of gravity, traditionally pulling a little bit better than the trailer that has a higher center of gravity on it. Also, it allows a heavy duty fender when the trailer is being used for other purposes. Say you go to the steel yard and pick up a bundle of steel or a bundle of lumber and they're side loading it, they bump your fender. Being 3/16, it's going to stand up a lot better than your standard 14 gauge fender.